Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video I am going to explain Infosys started their hiring for software engineering role, and another one will be a embedded system engineering software and from customized technologies. Two of them started their hiring for freshers. So don't skip the video, watch the video till end. You are going to spend 1 or 2 minutes to this video, which is going to useful for your lifetime career. So don't skip, subscribe to my channel and like me, then only you may get more update from my channel. So this is from software engineering development role from freshers. These are all the successful careers, those who are completed. These are all the technologies they are working in that. So you can visit this home page, it will be helpful for you. This is what they are expecting from 0 to 2 years of experience in the ASAP, dot service, web service, signal and Linux and boundary testing, innovative positive thinking. So many kind of things they are mentioned here. At last, good written and verbal communication skill, experience Scrum or Karam. It will be helpful for you in environmental role in first you can start apply here, join our team and network, everything they mention in their website. So don't bother guys, start apply now itself. I have provided the link in the description. And next role will be customer technology started their hiring for embedded system and software engineering role. So this is for package 5 they mentioned here. Their qualification will be BA, BTech, CS, IT, MSc, core mathematics, PH score, academics, and 88% they are looking for. Two role embedded system engineer and software engineer. So this all the role which they are looking for a good people. 18th last date, 20th June exam and online test, embedded system and software engineering from 2020 to 2021. So you can start apply these two roles, it will be helpful for you. If you have any doubt regarding these two areas, you can comment me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. So thanks for watching this channel.